Hey folks, Blackcross here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Last time we took care of Drek Industries, and we're now in the Deep Planetizer as we speak. So, and there's one more thing I want to show. New currency. Rubies! That's just pretty cool, I thought. This could be interesting. Time to cut everything that's in our... Ooh, I love the red. I think I'm gonna keep this now. I mean, yeah, it's not Ratchet and Clank, but I mean, it's fun. That's all I care about, is fun. Oh my gosh. This is too much for me. But I love it. Knowing that there's red, it makes me happy. Alright, time to go for the next one. Oh dear, doggies.
Nice shot, Cora. Keep it up. I'm coming back around for another pass.
That's why I don't have Clank with me, I forgot.
If you wanted to come aboard the Deep Planetizer, there were much simpler ways of doing it. It's a shame your visit will be a short one.
It won't be, once I'm done with you. Alright. Yeah. Oh, wait. That's glass. I can't go through glass. Oh boy!
Oh great, more of them. Looks like a new kind of warbot.
Oh boy. Oh crap. Crappy doodle. I fell. I was trying to keep that guy from getting it, well, you get what I'm saying. Trying to keep him from using that torrent.
If you wanted to come aboard the Deep Planetizer, there were much simpler ways of doing it. It's a shame your visit will be a short one.
Okay, let's try the skin. No, you don't. You're not going in there.
Oh great, more of them.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. You're not touching it. You're not touching it. You're not touching it.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Oh. Magnet boots. Okay. First things first. Because I love seeing the amount of rubies that I can gather. I mean, I love it. I love it.
Attention, Strike Team 7. It appears you were not aware that I, your boss, have a camera on the Deck 3 break room. Why you think you can sit around playing cards while the others go after Ratchet and Clank boggles the mind. Get out there before I have to eject you into space myself!
That's funny. I was about to say, come on, Red Ruby. Forget that I don't have Clank with me, otherwise I'd jetpack over there. Okay. Now then to see what's up here. Oh, we're gonna go upside down, aren't we? Yep! We're going upside down. Oh! Oh, Rhino! No, it's just a regular holo pack. It looked like a Rhino card, but no, it was a holo pack. We got new cards, though. We're already a little bit over 50% right now, so We're almost, I think we're literally halfway.
Mr. Zircon does not require books. His currency is pain.
Oh boy.
These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Okay, why are these doors locked? That was quick.
Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Alright, there we go. Okay, now this is kind of a weird place.
You're so predictable.
Yeah, there's another one, I bet. There we go.
Maybe there's a trespasser terminal around here.
There is. I'm just looking around. Because I know there's plenty of gems nearby. Alright, time to hack away. There!
Okay, door's open.
I did it. Whoa, there was some orange ones.
Ratchet, have you located Captain Court?
Not yet. Hope he's okay.
Just keep looking. He's got to be on the ship somewhere.
Alright. Bracing for impact.
Deplanetizer firing coordinates locked. Target the balance.
There we go.
All units, converge and eliminate at all costs.
Oh wait, there was more. Okay. Whoa, okay, hey, no. Damn, there are a lot of you.
Deplanetizer power level at 50%.
Oh boy. Are we done? No, we're not. You're not dead yet!
Mr. Zircon is here.
See? Nothing to it.
Okay. I'm fine. It's just things are getting a little bit crazy. Alright.
Mr. Zircon is
This is where things are gonna get a little bit hectic, isn't it?
Oh, this is just too good. Not only do I get a choice to use the planet for new fortune, I get to destroy the Galactic Ranger's home. Talk about a win-win.
He's down. Oh boy, out of ammo.
Not for long. Oh boy.
Deplanetizer power levels at 75%.
Surprised this ship hasn't blown up yet. The amount of ammo I've been using. Okay.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Alright. I got it. No new cars on that one. Okay.
Ratchet, how are you doing in there?
Lots of resistance, but I'm okay.
You sure, Ratchet?
So you made it to my arms. Good for you. But your little adventure will soon be over.
Oh. Oh. Oh, just knowing that that's up there. Just knowing that that's up there. I want it so badly. I don't even know how to get up there. I guess we're just gonna have to hack this thing. How tough is this one? Hopefully not too hard. Aha!
After I've built us a new home world, I'll make another. And another. Can you imagine? Dozens of Blarg-owned planets forged not by nature, but by my company. We'll create an entire empire using your galaxy's wasted planets. I suppose it will leave any of your citizens homeless or dead. Sacrifices must be made.
Man, does Drek ever stop talking?
Got it.
Hey, security laser guy! You said that was your best work.
Okay, time to blast, blast, blast. Blast everything. Blast it all. Oh boy, here they come, here they come. Oh crap, oh crap. Pixelizer is now done. And I'm almost dead. I am almost dead. Okay.
Planetizer power levels at 95%.
Oh, lovely. More scanners.
We're almost to the bridge.
Okay. Whew! Yay, the Glove of Doom is mine. Yep, alright. Now then.
He's heading for the Starcracker terminal. Stop him at once!
Mr. Zircon is here.
Holy cow, that's...
Oh boy, they're active. They are active. They are very much active. Ooh. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're not good. We're not good. Damn.
Planetizer fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Do you think that's not what I'm doing right now? Oh, crappy doodle.
Little Zircon is gone. The only school little Zircon attends is the School for Captain Scout.
Let's try this again. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. No. Oh my gosh, this place is crazy.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Stop him at once!
Holy cow, that's a lot of
Okay. Gosh. This game is starting to get insane.
reinforcements.
Deplanetizer fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drac.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
Warmonger is upgraded again. Okay. Oh, you little stupid robot.
The door to the bridge is open.
Okay, enough tanks already.
Like I said that. Okay, enough tanks already! And I agree with you, Ratchet. Enough tanks is enough!
Nicely done. You should be able to access the Starcracker room and shut down the deplanetizer.
Let's hope. Gotta get the rest of these. Oh. I see you. Got another one. Okay. Any other secrets that I might want? No? Well, screw you then. Alright then.
The Navalians were able to evacuate in time, but billions lost their homes.
You helped Drek destroy a planet because you were jealous of Ratchet? Oh, that's cold, even for me.
Not my coolest moment, okay? I was confused. I thought I was doing the best thing for the galaxy.
Hey, you were doing the best thing for you.
Nobody asked you, solitary Bill.
Then what happened? In the Hollow film, Ratchet ended up drifting in deep space for like weeks until he finally managed to assemble a gravity drive using an old ham radio and a banana.
Never happened. In reality, he just went home.
Well, partner, how about helping me find my proto-suit?
Okay, this is weird. We're back to Zelda.
It's good to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Yolaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious' files from Drek Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solanus celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Drek. He wants the system destroyed under the Ranger's watch.
I have a plan to destroy the planetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Kalibo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
Alright, now we're heading to Gadgetron. Alright, finally. Let's go ahead and head over there. See what type of mess we're dealing with. And then that way, the next episode, we can start right in there. Oh, good. Man.
In order to defeat Chairman Drek, the duo needed something that could only be found on Kalibo, a Gadgetron hologuard.
It appears to block
Oh, wow.
They must be after the Gadgetron.
That's one heck of a devastation right there.
Attention, Gadgetron employees. We are currently in the midst of a major security breach at our factory. All non-essential personnel are to vacate the building immediately while we wait.
The Sheepinator is very expensive. 40,000. Damn.
I'll give you a good deal on that one.
Alright, let's just see what we can upgrade.
Oh, nice!
Boom! I think I've got enough to where I can do these. And this last one that's up here that I somehow missed. Let's see, what other ones do I want to do? I'm upgrading the ones that I would use the most. In case you're wondering. Pixelizer is maxed out. Still have a lot more to do with other stuff. There we go. Okay. Alrighty then, we can end the episode now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, this is Black Cross signing off. Take care, guys.